November 30th, 2022, just showing the top center section here, which is now done. Pencil, black ink, and gray watercolor, and kind of yellowish watercolor. It's captioned art composite from photo of Nazi soldier executing Jews, Chelm, 28th May 1942, and Warsaw Ghetto, May 1943, a Jewish woman about to be executed. Embracing GOP California Congressman Mike Garcia, who mocks the Holocaust, Facebook removed the 1942 photo of a Nazi execution of partisans in Ukraine, claiming it violated their community standards. I posted that photo on October 17th. Recently, a caption I wrote along an article or two I posted from the internet newspaper news about the congressman's perverse and obscene claims. This congressman who was reelected has also claimed that the Washington, D.C. Capitol Police were like the Gestapo. Really sick, perverse thinking, and staggeringly ignorant too on his part.